Hi all. In this video we will tell you how use Swampcoin WEB Wallet. Go to the swampcoin.club website. And then go to main menu section, then click Web Wallet. At page that opens, click to registration. To register we need receive email message with link for account creation confirmation. Attention, this important, you not need use popular email services, since they do not accept messages sent via direct send mode. To receive confirmation message, we recommend use temporary email services. Link for this, temporary email services, is on registration page. Follow link to TempMail, here we instantly get temporary email address. In any case for using web wallet email we need only once during registration. Then press copy and return to web wallet page. Next fill registration form. Then press execute. See registration completed successfully. Try log into account. Fails because account not activated. For activation go to TempMail page. Open incoming message. Click activation link. In the window that just opened, we see that account has been successfully activated. Let's refresh page. And then, try log into account again. Now all good, entered web wallet account. Let's switch to dark theme. See 0 coins on balance. To test wallet, let's take some coins from Faucet. Click Receive button. Window opens showing address. Copy our address. Go to Faucet menu section on swampcoin.club website. Paste address that we just copied. Click to confirm that we are not robot. Click Claim Random Payout. At next return to web wallet. Refresh page. See that some coins appeared on balance, which means that everything working fine. Let's send few coins from web wallet to external address. As external address we'll use address from locally installed core wallet. Copy address from core wallet. Then in web wallet click Send Coins. Paste address which we just copied. In amount field, enter 5 coins. Click Confirm. In Core Wallet, see that coin successfully received. Now let's briefly look at address book usage. Let's create entry in address book. Let it be same address from Core Wallet. Then try sending one coin from address book menu to newly created entry. In Core Wallet, see that coin successfully received, that everything working fine. Now let's briefly look how create additional address in wallet. To create addresses, press Gen additional address. To view existing additional addresses, press List my addresses. Let's create another additional address. And then view list of addresses. Now, I think it should be clear how to do this operation. Now let's look at how to link our account created in Web Wallet to Telegram to use coins via Telegram bot. Go to Swampcoin Club website. And then go to main menu section, then click Mobile Wallet Solutions. Scroll down and click Link Telegram Wallet Bot. Link opens in Telegram app. I already have bot running, but for you, to start bot, need to type /start and send message. Then bot starts and we see its main menu. Click menu item authorization. Bot asks address. Copy and paste address from Web Wallet. Next bot asks private key. Copy and paste private key from Web Wallet. Great, authorization complete. Tap menu icon and go to menu item Wallet. Let's click My Balance and see balance shown by bot equal to balance in Web Wallet. We won't go into bot features in detail now. Functions of Telegram Wallet bot almost fully match functions of Discord bot. For full overview of Telegram Wallet bot, maybe later we'll make separate video guide. Let's look how to log into Web Wallet using token received in Telegram Wallet bot. In Web Wallet, click Log Out to log out of account. Next, go to Telegram bot and click Get Token in Bot menu. Copy received token to clipboard. Go to Web Wallet website. Click via Telegram. Paste copied token. Click Execute. This logs into account using token from Telegram bot. Let's look how to log into Web Wallet using token received in Discord Wallet bot. In practice, this is done almost same way as via Telegram. Go to Discord Wallet bot and enter command get token. Copy received token to clipboard. Go to Web Wallet website. Click via Discord. Paste copied token. Click Execute. This logs into account using token from Discord bot. Detailed video review and guide on using Discord Wallet bot is available on our YouTube channel. If you have any questions about this guide or any other topic related to working with Swampcoin, you can ask in community's official social networks. Links to it in description under video. Thanks for watching.